Hi guys and welcome back. Don't mind me, it's Saturday and I have worked all morning this morning and I have worked in this attire. However, I am prepared to have like a really lounge Saturday. I need it after the last couple of weeks. So this is my attire of the day. I am going to my grandma's in a moment. I wasn't going to vlog today, but a parcel has come through the door, so I'm going to share with you what it is. And I also do have the cider parcel to open, so I think I'll open that now and then I think we'll try it on later. Either later or tomorrow morning. But yeah, so let me show you what's just come through the post. So I actually didn't know if I was getting this parcel or not. This is just literally rocked up. I had no tracking number. But it's self-tan from Freshly Baked. I do try and use tan every week. I only use a medium because I don't like when it like grates off. But I want to start maybe topping my tan up like twice a week because I'm just looking paler than ever after like a couple of days. But it'll be exciting to try this tan, so I'll put this on tonight and then we can see what it's like tomorrow when I wash it off. But yeah, let's see what it looks like inside. How am I going to get into this then? That is a huge sticker. Also, I've got no makeup on today. I'm not doing anything, that's why. But I'm definitely going to book myself in for a facial, can I just mention? Because I watched back my Sunday vlog, which I didn't watch before like uploading, because once you've edited a vlog for a while. But oh my god, I need my goodness. Looks so hairy and I promise it's actually not that hairy in real life. But I don't get any facials or anything. I just like do my own skincare. Keeping up with like facials and stuff, or even like having facials. One of my 2025 like wish list things to do. So I need to book myself in and hopefully I can take you along with me. But I am going away in a couple of weeks. See if anyone can fit me in. I'm trying to do two things at once and make a video on my phone and a video on my... I don't have one of these. So this will be fun. It's a buffer brush. How cool is that? Yeah, to like put here on your face. It's a nice little bag as well. If you're going away, keep it in that bag. And doesn't touch anything else. I have a mitt also. How cool are these bags though? Like these travel bags. That is actually like a full bag. So this is the mitt. And we got a bottle of the Carnival Tan. So it says the trend-led self-tan brand Freshly Baked London, and it also says pistachio and caramel scented Carnival rapid self-tanning mousse. But yeah, should we see if it fits in that bag? It does. That's cool. Say if you're going away, you could put the brush in and the mitt and the tan. That's cool. I go to my grandma's. I wanted to come on and show you the cardigan that I put in my latest vlog. But yeah, this is my Saturday outfit of the day and I honestly would not want to wear anything else. I am so glad I am not going out tonight. Just put one layer of this tan on and I use this brush just to go over my neck and my face, and it's already like gone on my face much better than what a mitt would have. I'll go to sleep with this on and I will wash it off in the morning. So I'm going to go to sleep now. Probably wake up in like 6 or 7 hours. So that's how long it should be on to be the extra dark. So before I go to sleep, let's open this cider haul, this huge parcel which I have been waiting to open with you. First of all, we have got this little jumper. This is such a thick material. Honestly, cider actually really impresses me. I've never ordered from there until now, and the quality is so good. So I actually oversized in this. I don't know whether it's meant to be like fitted or what. It is a cinched waist, so we'll try it on tomorrow. I forgot what this is. I just ordered a little top. Yeah, I did. But it's got a high neck, short sleeves, and it cinches in. That'd be nice with a pair of jeans. I've been really excited to see what this is like. Yes, I got this cinch waist blazer. I'm sure I got this in a size 6. I didn't oversize in this one because this is called oversized. But it's like a creamy colour with a button. Hopefully I don't get tan in any of these. I can't wait to try these on and show you though, because everything is like such good quality though. Like, look how thick that blazer is. Can you see that? Look how thick it is. It's got like the line and detail down the sides. Down the back of this blazer too. So this is like a really irregular blazer. I can't wait to try this on tomorrow. You put it on and it like goes under like that. So it is under, you can't like untuck it. But I just thought like with some baggy jeans, sunglasses, trainers, or you could wear that like on a night out. It does look pretty big, but that is the style of it. So we'll see what that's like tomorrow. Another one. I'm messing the floor right now. Oh yeah, I forgot about this. It's like a leather jacket. Let me move you down. And it has, I'm sure it like cinches. Yeah, it does. It cinches at the waist. So far so good, there's no smell. I got some tights also. Just got some black lace tights. I really liked my outfit the other week when I wore like little black shorts, black vest, and I wore some really sheer tights and a grey blazer. But I did really want some lace tights, so been really excited for this one. So it is a knit. But yeah, I think I got this in a size up. It's like a knit jumper, zips all the way down. Has a bit of like a balloony sleeve, like an oversized sleeve. I tried them all on the morning, but everything just seems so good. Like, look at how thick that is. But yeah, I'm gonna go to sleep now. I've just had a break from doing this video because my phone died and I wanted to do like a TikTok as well. So I've been reading some more books. I'm gonna go and read some more because I'm almost finished with it. But yeah, good night, and I will try all this on in the morning. Mwah! Just got up. I haven't washed the tan off yet. I'm going to go and jump in the shower now and wash it off because obviously it's all over my face, but that's the colour of my hands too. But yeah, let's go and wash it off. I'm going to wash it off and make a coffee, so I'll be back soon. This camera isn't doing it justice, but this tan is really nice and it's not itched me either. Normally like don't rate a tan if it itches me, but we're going to find somewhere really nice to have for Sunday dinner, probably like Keswick wear. So I'll include that, but I'm thinking about putting on this long sleeved bodysuit on from Zara. Just because it's going to be cold. I'll put this zippy on. I need to do my hair again. Not that I've done anything with it apart from brush it back. I want to put this on from Shop Cider. But yeah, this is the cardigan. It has pockets as well, which is cool. Just made a coffee in my Dublin mug. How cute is that? Hopefully I'll be warm enough in just this. Just scrape my hair back, but like down this time. Just put it in like a tiny little bun. It's still got all that hair product on. I do turn into a bit of a scruff when I put product in my hair. I just leave it on for like 2 days. But I'm going to put these trainers on. They're probably due for a wash. But I am going to take some sunglasses with me because I envy people who remember to take sunglasses on a walk and I never do. But today I do. Quite warm right now. But yeah, this is the outfit of the day. I think we're going to go to the Pheasant for Sunday dinner, but I will bring you along with me and show you what we have. I've actually added some jewellery as well. These are my faves at the moment, so why wouldn't I add jewellery to an all black outfit whether I'm going for a walk or not? And obviously they're from Monica. If you've watched my other vlogs, I love Monica Bernarda jewellery, so they're from there.
Don't video me.
Look at her, the way that she's walking. Is she stopped walking crazy.
Yeah.
Stay in your bed. Stay in your bed. Sandy's got a chicken stick. There we go. Spoiled rotten.
Sorry, no, go back.
Good morning, guys. Tried this top on first, just so I don't get makeup on it, with it being like a high neck, because I'm not planning on wearing this top today. Look, the cider jeans on that I've put in my previous haul. I think these jeans were from like one of the first collabs that I did with them. It's the cinched waist brown leather jacket. So did I size up in this? I'll have to check. Oh my god, I absolutely love this coat. So it has 2 button options. So here, if you wanted to just clip it like that, or you can clip it all the way. Yeah, I definitely sized up in this. I'm sorry, this is so cool. I absolutely love this jacket. It's got a cinched back. It's just given like such a casual, like cool vibe. But yeah, jeans, top and jacket are all cider. It is meant to be fitted, so, but I really like this. I love like how it's cinched still. Can I just say that no one is ready for this blazer, because I tried this on last night because I was too excited, and I wish I filmed my reaction, because oh my god, it's actually unreal. The actual material on this and the structure of it, let me show you. Also, my discount code has updated because it expired over the weekend. So it was Molly_McCrickard_IG or TT for TikTok, depending on where you've seen it. Shopping on there, and I'd be really grateful if you could support me. And I'm super thankful and super grateful for those who've supported me already. So I've put the discount code on screen just so that you can like read it. Obviously, I probably wouldn't wear this top under it. How unreal is that? Like, look at this blazer. So I got a size 6 in this. I didn't size up in it, it's oversized anyways. And with it being cinched, I didn't want to get like a size 10 that I normally would in a blazer. I think everything in the description of this video, I did that for my previous videos, my Valentine's one with my Pretty Little Thing haul. So this next blazer, again, super thick, padded shoulders, that's the material of it. The thickness of that, double lined. But I'm going to try it on with the top, and if it doesn't look okay with the top, we'll try it on without the top. How cool is that? Yeah, I love this blazer. I hope the camera is doing it justice. But yeah, black jeans, or even some like white wide leg jeans. I need to get some of those. And white heels. Don't mind my ironing board in the corner of that room. I don't think I sized up in this either. This cardigan is another thing. I sized up once in this, so like this with like a white vest up underneath. I actually think I might wear this for work today. So thick though, like you can see the quality of the jumper here. How cute is this? Ah! I love these tights so much. It's not like a tight material, it's like a soft material. So I feel like it would be harder to click, hopefully, because I don't want to ruin them. But I think I'm going to order some more just in case I ever do ruin them. But yeah, how unreal is this little outfit? So cute. With some like black loafers or some little black boots. 10 out of 10 to Shop Cider again. Like every haul, I've had 3 hauls from Shop Cider, 2 of them of which I've put on YouTube. My first one I didn't make a vlog out of. But everything has been unreal. Like, I haven't had a bad outfit. Thank you to those who have used my discount code already, especially when there's probably other discount codes out there. So I really appreciate the support, honestly. It means the world. Get ready for work. I will show you my outfit of the day. I'm going to put some makeup on also because it's like scraping 8 o'clock at the moment and I'm in a rush now. There we go. Looks better than straight, especially when I'm not feeling the nail extensions. I'm trying my hardest to keep them out as long as possible, so. But yeah, I'm going to go to work now. I'm not going to put a jacket on, I don't think, but I'm going to take a little the bag that I always wear from Stradivarius. This is my outfit of the day, and my hair is done, and it's 10 to 8 as well. I haven't been to the gym this morning. I've just faffed on with, I actually didn't get out of bed till 6, but I've just faffed on with trying all those clothes on, which were amazing. I am so happy with that order. Thank you for watching. Also, I'm gonna vlog Vegas when I go, so check back for that. We're going to watch rugby over there, so that'll be fun. But yeah, thank you so much for watching my vlogs. I really appreciate it. I'm wearing all my outfits on Instagram and TikTok if you want to see what they look like fully dressed and stuff, and what I decide to wear with them. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Mwah!